Happy morning children. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter algebra. Dear children, take your third chapter note and write it down. Children, have you completed your homework? Take your homework and check your answers. Exercise 3.4. First one, expand the following. First one, 2x, first subdivision 2x plus 3y plus 4z the whole square. Second one, minus p plus 2q plus 3r the whole square. Then first one, this is of the form a plus b plus c the whole square, isn't it? How many terms are here? 3 terms, isn't it? Then this expansion, write it. Instead of a, then substitute 2x, b, then 3y, then c is 4z. Okay. Substitute this question, this formula. Okay. You find the expansion. Did you get this answer? Check it. Okay, very good. Then second one, minus p plus 2q plus 3r the whole square. This also same formula. It's a formula a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to, say, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. Then here we have to substitute a place, we have to substitute minus b, 2q, c, 3r. Okay. Then substitute this formula. Then we got the answer p square plus 4q square plus 9r square minus 4pq plus 12qr minus 6rp. Got it? Okay, very good children. Today we are going to learn identities involving product of 3 binomials. Okay. Identities involving product of 3 binomial. Then what is meant by binomial? Already you learned, isn't it? What is meant by binomial? A polynomial having 2 terms is called a binomial, isn't it? Then identities involving the product of 3 binomial. This is one binomial, this one second one, this one third. Okay, x plus a, x plus b into x plus c is equal to, then what's the identity? X cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Okay. Then with the help of this identity, how to do the problem. Okay. Then example 3.20. Expand the following. First one, x plus 5 into x plus 6 into x plus 4. Okay. Then we know the formula. This is the binomial, isn't it? Binomial, how many binomial? X plus 5, one binomial. This is another binomial. This one another. 3 binomials. Okay. Product of 3 binomial. Formula is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Okay. This is the formula we know. Isn't it? Then you write the question. Our first question is what? X plus 5 into x plus 6 into x plus 4. Okay. Here you have to replace a by 5. Okay. Then replace b by 6. Replace c by what? 4. Okay. We have to substitute here. Okay. Have you understood? Then this one we have to take it, and then 1. Okay. 1 we have to take. Here we have to substitute. Side we have to write, replace. Otherwise a is equal to, put a is equal to 5 Then B is equal to what? 6. C is equal to 4. In which one? In 1 we have to substitute. Have you understood? Shall we substitute here? Then equal to, this is the question, then equal to, here x cube, isn't it? X cube means here everything, first term is x. So, no change. Then x cube plus, a place you have to substitute 5, isn't it? 5 plus b c, okay, sorry, b 6 plus c is 4 into h square plus ab plus bc, okay, open the bracket, a into b, okay, a into b is what? 5 into directly 5 into 6 is what? 30. Okay, then BC, B into C. 6 4s are 24 plus 24. Okay, then CA. CA means 4 into 5. Okay, 4 5s are what? 20. Okay, plus 20 into, close the bracket, into x. Okay, then plus A into B into C. A, B, C. Okay, then A, B, C means what? Plus A. A means 5, isn't it? 5 into 6 into 4. Are you clear? Any doubt? Then equal to x cube plus, this to add it. Okay, 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 4 is what? 15. 15 x square. Then plus, this to add 50, then 74, isn't it? 74 x plus 5 4s are 20. 20 into 6 is what? 120. 120. Okay. This is the expanded form of this question. 3 binomials. The product of 3 binomial is this one. Okay, have you understood? Here you see expand the following. Expand the following only here asking, isn't it? We have to use the identity. Okay, second one. Second question say 3x minus 1 into, then 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 4. This is also same model. Here first variable is 3x, here also 3x, here also 3x. Okay. Here replace, which one we have to replace? Say replace x by which one? 3x. X we have to replace 3x. Okay. Then a we have to replace which one? Minus 1. B you have to replace what? 2. Okay. Then C by minus 4. This everything we have to replace, we have to substitute in 1. Are you clear? Here this formula, here we have to substitute. Okay. Then you write the question, then equal to, shall we substitute here? X cube. Here x replaced by which one? 3x. Instead of x, we have to substitute what? 3x. Okay. 3x the whole cube plus, open the bracket, a means what? Minus 1. Then b is plus 2. C is minus 4 into x square. Are you clear? Then plus AB. AB means what? A into B. Shall we multiply this 2? Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Okay. Then BC. BC means B into C. Okay, that means 2 into minus 4. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Okay, then plus CA. C into A. C into A. That means minus 4 into minus 1. Minus into minus is what? Plus. 4 into 1 is 4, isn't it? Into that X. X. Then plus A into B into C. A into B into C. That means here what is A? Minus 1 into B is 2 into then C is minus 4. Very clear? And equal to here 3x the whole cube. 3x the whole cube is 3 cube. 3 cube. First 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. X cube, isn't it? X cube. Then here positive number is 2, isn't it? Negative number, add it. Here minus 1, minus 4. That means these two added, common sign minus, isn't it? Minus 5 we will get, isn't it? Minus 5 plus 2 is, otherwise one more step I am giving. Minus 5 plus 2 into x square. Okay. Then here also plus, here minus 2 minus 8. That means what? Minus 10 plus 4 into x. Correct? Here minus 1 into 2 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 4 is minus what? Minus into minus is plus, isn't it? Plus 8. Okay? And equal to 27x cube. Greater number minus here positive, negative is negative, positive is there, isn't it? So greater number minus smaller number, greater number sign. Okay, greater number is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Greater number sign is minus, isn't it? So minus 3 x square. Okay, then here minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4 is, what shall you will get? Minus 6, isn't it? So here plus into minus 6 into x plus 8 and equal to 27 x cube minus 3 x square. Plus into minus is minus, isn't it? Minus 6x plus 8. Am I correct? Now let's say exercise 3.4, second one, using algebraic identity, find the coefficient of x square, x and a constant term without actual expansion using algebraic identities. Okay, here we find out coefficient of x square, x and a constant. Okay, then second question I am giving, then first one homework you do. Okay, then here 3 binomials are given. Product of 3 binomial. What's the formula? X plus A into x plus B into x plus C is equal to x cube plus A plus B plus C into x square plus AB plus BC plus CA into x plus ABC. This is the formula, isn't it? Then write the question here. Okay. Then what's the question? Here 2x plus 3 into what? 2x minus 5 into 2x minus 6. Okay, then equal to here replace x by what? 2x. Okay, here instead of x 2x is there, here also 2x, here also 2x. Okay, a by 3, then b by what? B by minus 5, C by minus 6. In which where we have to substitute 1. Okay, in 1 we have to substitute. Okay, shall we substitute here? And then you say x cube. First x cube. X cube means what here? Instead of x, 2x is there, isn't it? 2x the whole cube. Then plus a plus b plus c. That means 3 minus 5 minus 6 into x square. Then plus ab. AB means what? 3 into 5. 3 5s are minus 15. Okay. Then BC. Sorry, here instead of x, we have to substitute what? 2x, isn't it? 2x the whole square. 2x the whole square. Okay. Then AB plus here BC. BC means what? Minus 5 into minus 6. That means minus into minus is plus. Plus 30 no? Then CA. C into A. Minus 6 into 3 is what? Minus 18. Minus 18 into x. X means what? Here 2x, isn't it? 2x plus ABC. ABC. That means 3 into minus 5 into minus 6. Is it clear? Minus 6. Any doubt? Then 2x. 2x the whole cube is what? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Isn't it? 8x cube. Okay. Then plus 3. Open the bracket. This negative number, add it. That common sign what? Minus. Okay. 5 plus 6 is 11 into what? 2x. 2x the whole square. That means what? 2x the whole square. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 2s are 4 into x square. 4 into x square. Are you clear? 4x square. Don't confuse it here. 2x. Okay. This one 2x the whole square. 2x the whole square means here 2 2s are 4. X into x is what? X square. Are you clear? Then plus. Here a negative number added. What's the value? Minus 33. Okay. Plus this 30 into 2x. Okay. Then minus into minus is what? Plus, isn't it? 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 6 is what? 90. Okay. This 90. Then equal to 8x cube. Okay. 8x cube. Here 3 minus 11 is what? Minus. Very good. Then minus 8, isn't it? Minus 8 into this 4x square. Okay. Then plus. Here minus 33 plus 30 is minus 3 into 2x plus 90. Okay. Then equal to 8x cube. Then minus 8 plus into minus is what? Minus, isn't it? Then 8 fours are 32, isn't it? Here minus 32 x square. Okay. Plus into minus is what? Plus into minus is minus. 3 2s are 6. Minus 6x plus 90. Clear? Then you got the expansion, isn't it? Our question is find the coefficient of x square. So you should write a coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. You know what's the coefficient of x square? X square. What's the coefficient? Here what's the value is there? Minus 32, isn't it? Then minus 32 is the coefficient. Okay. Then coefficient of x. Like that. Here coefficient of x is equal to what's the coefficient of x? Minus 6, isn't it? Minus 6. Then this is the constant. 90 is the constant. Okay. 3 questions they asked here. Then constant is equal to, which is the constant here? 90 is the constant. Okay. Then first question also the same model you should do. That is homework. Can you do? Okay. Next, one more question. Third one, if x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus 14x square plus 59x plus 70. This expansion is given here. Okay. Find the value of first one a plus b plus c. Second one 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. Third one a square plus b square plus c square. Fourth a by bc plus b by ac plus c by ab. Okay. Then if x plus a plus into x plus b into x plus c is equal to here expansion is given. Okay. From there this value we have to find. Okay. Shall we do? Then we know x plus c into x plus b into x plus c is equal to this formula. Isn't it? That is equal to here given. Okay. This is equal to what is given here? X cube plus 14x square plus 59x plus what? 70. Okay. Am I correct? Then shall we compare this to here a plus b plus c, coefficient of x square, what is given? Coefficient of x square is what? 14 is given. That means we can write comparing these two, then we will get what? Instead of a plus b plus c, which value is given here? 14, isn't it? Then coefficient of x square, that means coefficient of x square. That means what? X square a plus b plus c is equal to 14. Coefficient of x square implies here what? A plus b plus c is equal to 14. Okay. Then ab plus bc plus ca, that is the coefficient of x. Which value is here given? Coefficient of x is ab plus bc plus ca is equal to what? 59. Okay. Then what's the constant here? 70. Okay. A, B, C is equal to 70. Got it? Then our first question is, what's the question? First one a plus b plus c, isn't it? So at once we can write the answer. Okay. A plus b plus c is equal to what? 14. Have you understood this expansion? Write it. Afterwards comparing these two. Okay. Comparing these two, then we find these answers, isn't it? Our first question answer is a plus b plus c is equal to what? 14. Coefficient of x square. Okay. This is what? This one what? Coefficient of x. Okay. Coefficient of x. Otherwise here also we have to write coefficient of x. Implies this one. Then this is constant. The help of this one, this value we can find. Okay. Then first question over. Then answer we got. And second one 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to. Okay. What's the LCM here? A, B, C is the LCM. A, B, C. Okay. A, B, C is the LCM. Here A is available, isn't it? Then how many A's are here? 1 is, isn't it? Remaining BC, this BC we have to multiply here. Okay, 1 into BC is BC. Okay, then B is available here except what? B, remaining two what values we have to multiply here. Okay, that means AC plus AC. Okay, here 1 by C. C is there, then remaining two value B, A, B, isn't it? That A, B, 1 into A, B is what? AB. And this is LCM. Then equal to BC. Here BC plus AC plus AB. That means here which value here? AB plus BC plus CA. Shall we arrange this one? AB first write it AB plus BC plus CA or AC. Both also correct only. Okay. Then AC divided by what? ABC. ABC. Then equal to AB plus BC plus AC is equal to what? AC or here this one we can write CA. Otherwise you will confuse. Okay. CA. Have you understood? CA. Then shall we substitute this value here? 59. Divided by what? ABC is 70. Got the answer. Very clear? Then third one. Third question is A square plus B square plus C square one find. Okay. Here this one directly we cannot find. You know one formula, isn't it? A plus B plus C the whole square is, you know the formula. Am I correct? Then A plus B plus, the help of that one, we can write, we can find this value. Okay. Shall we do? A plus B plus C. Otherwise A square, B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to what? A plus B plus C the whole square. You know this formula, isn't it? From here, then we have to find then A square plus B square plus C square. Okay? We need what? A square plus B square plus C square. Remaining everything we have to bring next side. Shall we bring? A square plus B square plus C square is equal to, okay, A plus B plus C the whole square minus 2AB, then minus 2BC minus 2CA. Okay, and equal to A plus B plus C, what's the value? 14, isn't it? 14 the whole square minus, common you should take outside, 2 also common, isn't it? 2 also common, you can take outside. Remaining you say AB plus BC plus CA. Then equal to 14 into 14 is, say here 14 square, isn't it? 14 into 14 is, can you say? 14 into 14. 4 4s are 16. 1 balance. 1 4 is 4. Then 5. 1 4 is 4. Here 1. Then 6. 9. 1. 196. Okay. 196 minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA, what's the value? 59. Okay. And equal to 196 minus what? This 2 multiply means what? 118 it will come. Okay, 118. Then this 2 subtract. Subtract means what's the value you will get? Okay, 196 minus 118. Then 1 borrow from here. Then 16. Here 8 it will come. 16 minus 8 is what? 8. Okay. Then 8, here 8, 1 subtract, then 7, 0, isn't it? And equal to 78. Okay, have you understood this one? Very simple. We have to use which formula? A plus B plus C the whole square formula, expansion. Okay, from there A square plus B square is plus C square is equal to, and this term fully we have to bring next side. All values substitute, then 78 is the answer. Okay. The fourth subdivision, A by BC plus C, B by AC plus C by AB. Okay. Here also we have to take the LCM. Here how many A? 2A, isn't it? Then A square. Then how many B? B, 2B, isn't it? B square, then C square. Clear? then a square, b square, then c square. This is the LCM. Okay. Then you see here, here BC, isn't it? Here BC, then A into, here BC is there, 1 BC is there, isn't it? So remaining we have to multiply here. Remaining what? A square into BC. Correct? Remaining A square into BC plus this B into AC. A and C is 1 AC is available here. Okay. Remaining what's the value? A B square C. Remaining A B square C. Okay. Then plus C into, okay, AB is 1 AB is there. Okay. 1 AB. Remaining what? AB into C square. AB into C square we have to multiply here. Correct? This one how we can write? This one A into A square is A cube into BC plus B into A B square C. That means B into B square is B cube into B cube into, remaining what? A C, isn't it? B cube into what? AC or CA. Sorry, CA. Then remaining plus C cube, isn't it? C cube into AB. Am I correct? C cube into AB. Okay. Then divided by A square B square C. Shall we write A B C the whole square? Okay. Then equal to, from here A square we have to take outside. Here A cube B C value we don't know. Okay. From here we cannot write, isn't it? Here A, that value we don't know. Then B cube C A value also we don't know. Okay. So we have to find here A square plus B square plus C square value we know, isn't it? So we have to use here A cube is there, 1 A square we have to take outside. Remaining you say A B C. Okay. From here also B square we have to take outside, and then what remaining? A B C. A B C. Okay. From this term also C square we have to take outside, remaining A B C. Okay. Divided by, why we are taking means, then here divided by, here A plus B, A B C is there, so we can cancel. Okay. Common here, which is the common here? A B C. Here also A B C, here also A B C is common, isn't it? So A B C common we can take outside. Here A B C into A B C we can write 2 times. Okay. A B C into A B C we can write. Then equal to, from here which is common? A B C is common. Remaining you say, then A square, then plus B square plus C square. Divided by what? A B C into A B C. Okay. From here this A B C we can cancel. Okay. Remaining value we know, isn't it? A square plus B square plus C square already we find. Okay. Second question answer what? 78. Okay. 78 already we have what? 78. That value we have to substitute here. 78 divided by ABC also already we have, isn't it? ABC or 70. Okay. That's 70 substitute here. Okay. Very clear? Don't confuse it here. And then fourth subdivision, first you take the LCM. Then LCM is here how many? 2's are available? 2, isn't it? Then A square, B square, C square is the LCM. Then except this BC, remaining values we have to multiply this time. Okay. Like that here also, except this AC, remaining have to multiply. And then except this AB, then third term we have to multiply. Okay, then from there a square common you should take outside, ABC, here also ABC, here also ABC common, that common we have to take outside, then cancel, and this value we know, isn't it? Now already we have, okay, that value you have to substitute, got the answer. Okay, have understood that? Shall I give one homework? Then exercise 3.4, first one third subdivision and fourth subdivision, second one first subdivision. Okay, try to do this homework. Okay, done. Thank you children, have a nice day.